beautiful, gorgeous babes, and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, thank you so much for tuning in. I really appreciate it. But in today's video, I'm going to be doing my usual Boxy charm and Ipsy unboxing. Start off showing you guys my Ipsy box. This is the Glam Bag Plus. It comes with I think 5 to 6 full-size products. It's $25 a month. They are going to have Ipsy Ultimate starting at next month, which is double the amount of products, so 8 to 10 full-size products. And that will be rolling out in October, so I can't wait to show you guys that when that finally releases. And they do also have the Ipsy bags, which just have, I think, 5 deluxe size samples. So they have a bunch of options based on your beauty, skincare needs. And they also have a cool feature where you can customize the product in your box. And this is changing, but at the time that I did my add-ons, it would allow you to do up to 3 add-ons. But they did some updates, so the next time around, you'll be able to do 5 add-ons. And usually the add-ons are great products that are severely discounted. So I did 2 add-ons in this box, and I'm going to show you guys the add-ons first before I go into the items that came in the box. But I ended up adding on the Madison Miller collab with Ofra. Do you see it? And this, she just wrote out, she's the influencer. I actually do watch her channel and love her content. So I was really excited to support her by having this added to my Ipsy box. And it was $12. I mean, what a great price for an Ofra product. And this is what it comes with: a blush. Let me get close. A blush and 2 highlights. One's kind of like a rosy gold highlight, I would say. And one's kind of like champagne-y. But this is the products in there. I mean, Ofra makes some of the best highlights, so I knew I was not going to be disappointed with this product. And I love supporting influencers that I really enjoy their content and value their channel. So I picked it up. And then my next add-on I picked up was the Babe Lash Essential Serum. That was really hard for me to say, but this is supposed to be a product to help you have healthier looking lashes. It says it's supposed to promote the appearance of longer, thicker lashes. And yeah, I've never tried a product like this, but I've always been interested because I do not like to wear false lashes. I don't do lash extensions or all that stuff with my lashes. I like to keep it natural. But of course, every girl, I think at least, every girl, boy, whoever out there, wants to have beautiful, long, luscious eyelashes naturally, right? That's why we wear fake lashes, to mimic having those kind of lashes. The item that I customized was the Hollywood Glam Glow Tropical Cleanse Daily Exfoliating Cleanser. I love using daily exfoliants because I do have textured skin, and I like to have anything that will help the texture on my skin to look a little bit more smooth before makeup application. And surprisingly, the item that I didn't end up picking, I still ended up getting, which is this beautiful thing right here. This is the Nomad Cosmetics Berlin palette. And when I saw the photo of it, I wasn't intrigued because the colors looked very muted in the photo. And honestly, the photos did not do this palette justice. You see this palette, it's beautiful. It's a lot more vibrant in person, and the shades are so creamy. I've never used Nomad Cosmetics, but I'm really excited by this, and I honestly now want to go and try their other palettes. I think they have a Tokyo palette, and I love the color story in that. And then I got this lipstick right here from Illamasqua. I think that's how you say it. And this is a true red. Oh my gosh. Honestly, I'm gonna put it on right now. I don't typically wear reds or bright colors, but I've been branching out a little bit and trying some different stuff. So let's put it on. This says it's called antimatter lipstick. And from the description, I threw the box away already. It's like a semi-matte formula. So we'll see. Let me try. All right. Wow, that is a true red right there, and my application was terrible, but it was really easy to put on. It went on really smoothly. It was super opaque on like one swipe. And this is a very Hollywood color lipstick, I think. Very glam. This would be perfect for New Year's. It's like the only time I ever go kind of bright or adventurous on my makeup. Sorry guys, I'm kind of down. I feel like I'm getting oily over here. But it went on so nice. It's so opaque and comfortable, and I can tell it has that semi-matte feeling. So it lasts a little better than a traditional lipstick. Wow, I really like the formula. Like honestly, I would like to get some nude colors in this brand. Let me find out. I'm gonna have to check that brand out. But besides that, I also got the Wonder Beauty brow pencil. What is it called? Honestly, it just says Pure Better Beauty Essentials Frame Your Face Micro Brow Pencil. And then the original video that I had filmed, as well as in my makeup travel bag video, I did use this on the brows, and I think it went on very nicely. It has a super fine tip. I don't know if it's gonna focus on it or not, because honestly I'm still trying to figure out my camera settings. But this is in the shade Taupe, and it's too light for my brows. Honestly, I have very dark brown, cool toned brown brows, and this one is on the light side. And usually I guess taupe, they say, can be universal. I disagree. I don't know how this would work for everybody, but if I go in with like a dark brow gel, I can make it work, but it is still on the light side. But as far as like the formula and the application, it went out really nicely. It's not too dry, not too wet. It has a nice fine tip, so it's easy to you know, make little brow hairs and fill in the empty spaces. I think it's, so far I really liked it. And then I got the Apto Skincare Pomegranate Mask, and this is supposed to be, honestly I don't remember because I threw the box away. I think it has some acids in it. It's supposed to have some kind of exfoliating. Hold on, let me see if I can find the box. Okay, honestly I can't find the box for this, but it's supposed to help even out the skin. I think it was something like that, and had acids in it. It's a face mask. I'm excited to definitely give it a try. And that was the last item in the Ipsy box. I think everything came up to way over $100. I think it was like 180 was total of this box, somewhere around there. Freaking awesome, great products, and this was $25. Definitely great value. Oh, and then with the add-ons, it was another, what, $24? So in total, I spent $50 for this box, but $180 worth of products. So I definitely think it's worth it. I like everything so far. Been on to Boxy Luxe. This is, what, 8 to 10 full-size products, so there's a little bit more in here. This is $4.99. I wish. $49.99 for that box. It is quarterly, so this is not really comparable really to the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, because that is a smaller box, and it had more product because I did add-ons. So I have so much going on. I'm packing. I need to go to the store. I need to finish cleaning up the house, finish editing video. I'm just all over the place, so excuse me if I'm rambling and getting easily distracted. Anyway, so the first item I got in my Boxy Luxe was the Sponge Gel Salted Rose. This is a mani-pedi treatment set. This is what the box looks like, and it looks like it's like a scrub for your feet and your hands. I'm assuming you could probably use it on your body too, but these are what the two pieces inside the box look like. And I believe that they're already like absorbed with product in it, and you just probably get it wet, because I have gotten a product from this brand before, and it was body wash, and it's the same kind of concept. Like, and I have the sheet for the price for the products in this one. I didn't have it for the Ipsy box. I think I lost it somewhere, but this product retails for $18. Cool. And then the next product I got was the Dr. Brandt Hydrobiotic Recovery Sleep Mask. This retails for $52. It says it's supposed to be a hydrating recovery sleeping mask that balances skin's natural occurring flora and locks in moisture overnight to reduce redness and soothe the signs of irritation. This will definitely be good for people who have sensitive skin, at least I think from the description. I have not tried this product yet, so I don't know if it works or not, or if it's a good one, but I'm excited. I like Dr. brand. I think it's a good brand. I have a lot of products from them that I've enjoyed. Then at the next thing, so I got the Tarte Clay Play Face Shaping Palette. I have used it already on my face as like a bronzer contour, and use the cream shade here to like brighten under the eyes. Oh, you saw my camera there. This is an all matte palette. Smells like chocolate, but the shades are nice and buttery and creamy, and they blend so well on the eyes. And this is a good like standard palette for face shaping, contouring, bronzing. If you just want to do a more matte natural look, or your essential mattes that you can pair with like colorful palettes that may not have the neutral shades or neutral mattes that you need. So I'm excited about this. This retails for $45. All right, so the next product I got was the Hank & Henry Blickety Black Eyeliner, and this is what it looks like. This is my first time like having any product from Hank & Henry. It has like a felt tip, and it goes on really nicely. Like you can make some fine thin lines with this, and it just smoothly. Now it's not a super black formula, but I like that. That's fine. I don't need it to be super intense. And I'm really excited because when I did try this product out, it was so easy to do a liner, and liner is like one of the hardest things for me to do when it comes to makeup. So I'm very happy I got that. And then I got the Stila Stay All Day Liquid Lipstick and Patina Shimmer. I have tried this on my lips. It is seriously a metallic lip. I'm not usually big into metallics or super shimmery lip products, but I mean, it looks subtle on my hand, but on my lips it was like real metallic. You could see the shimmer. It's not my favorite. I just don't tend to use shimmery lip products. That's just a preference. But that retails for $22. And then I got the, let me see, I have lipstick all over this box. I'm terrible. Anyways, this is from Glow Recipe. This is the Pineapple Bright Serum, and I have been wanting to try this product for so long, but I never like wanted to commit to the price of it, and that retails for $49. It's not a super expensive skincare, but it's pricier. And I got the Clean Skin Club Fruit Infuser water bottle. Now I forgot to mention, you were able in the Boxy Luxe to customize some of the products, and this is one of the ones that I picked versus the other options. And this is, I like water bottles. I like getting lifestyle things as well. And it looks like in the center you put the fruit where it can like just infuse into your water but not get into the water itself. And it has a cool little top. I think it's just perfect. It's cute, and it says Clean Skin Club. That's so cute. And this retails for, where is it on here, for $17.95. And then I got this is what the packaging it came in this bag right here, but this curling iron. I don't ever do anything with my hair, but it's like recently I've been getting hair styling products from Boxy. Like I got a blow dryer, straightener, and I never do anything with my hair. Like it probably looks like crap right now, and this is 3-day hair. I haven't washed my hair in 3 days, which is pretty good. But I'm gonna start being more adventurous with my hair, start doing different things. I need to step up my hair game. But this is the Sutra Clipless Curling Iron with Cool Tip. This retails for $65. This is a perfect tool for beach waves, glam curls, soft or tight curls, and even ringlets. This is a top of the line curling iron that has ceramic heating elements and an infused titanium polished barrel. This is a 32 millimeter. I'm excited. I don't own a curling iron, and It's gonna help motivate me to try to do my hair more. Last but not least, I got the IGK Mistress Anti-Frizz Leave-In Conditioner. I'm so excited. I have not tried any IGK products, but I know they specifically do hair care products, and because I don't do a lot with my hair, I don't really know hair care brands like that, but I'm very excited. I know that there's a lot of IGK products that are super popular that I always hear people talking about on YouTube, like their dry shampoos and stuff, so I can't wait to check anyway. So that was everything in the BoxyCharm box. And I did some math, and it retails for like over $280 in this box, and I paid $49.99 for it. But honestly, I love both of these boxes. I can't pick one over the other. Super excited. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please leave your comments below. Let me know if you're enjoying these kind of videos. If you subscribe to Ipsy or BoxyCharm and what you got, are you loving them? Or if you have any questions about the beauty subscriptions, leave those in the comments below. And if you're new here and you're enjoying my videos and my content, please hit that subscribe button and join this little family that we got going on. If you are already subscribed, like I said, don't forget to hit that notification bell so you're notified every time I post a video. I have all my social media linked below if you guys want to check those out as well. I'd love to have you on my other social media platforms. And that's pretty much it. Tomorrow I am leaving on my trip. I honestly don't know when this will actually go live, but tomorrow is when I'm leaving out, so I got a lot of things I gotta go finish up. So I will try to make sure that at least 2 videos post a week while I'm gone, because I'm gonna be gone for 2 weeks. I will be doing some kind of like a lookbook on my trip, maybe trying to vlog a little bit. I'll see, you know, what I have the time to do and all that, because I might get caught up in the moment and not feel like filming, but I will try to definitely do that for you guys. But anyways, until next time, bye guys.